Once all your mounts are installed, you're ready to put down your rail. You do not need to stage your rail and go fumble with hardware. All the SnapNrack systems, all the roof attachments come with this hardware pre-assembled on the mount right out of the box. So here you have the two examples of our Ultra Foot anchor, Ultra Foot deck, but all of our roof attachments, including tile and metal roofs, as you see here, comp, all come rail ready, meaning it has this hardware in the mount ready to go. So instead of staging your rail, you could skip that step by just putting it inside the brackets here, snapping it in place, and now you can slide it, level it wherever you want, and tighten it down and you're good to go. So you're eliminating that step of staging rail. The mounts, once they're installed, they're ready for rail right away.